Would you look at that? Ain't that about a bitch? That thing did not want to die, bro. I swear I thought that was... I swear, look, bro. There's nothing in there. I cleared this thing out a long time ago, bro. Look at this. And just in case y'all wondering if y'all don't know what this is, it's a pepper plant, man. And I had one, it was full when I bought it. The whole thing was, it was a bush that was about this big. You probably seen it on some of my past videos. But it died over the winter. I thought it died. Well, part of it died. And I cleared it out. I put all of it out of there. I come out here today and boom, that thing say, I'm gonna go through one way or another. Well, there you have it, folks. Never give up.